Hey, what's going on, my friends? In this video, we have another weekly updated video of our dividend portfolio where we contribute $25 every week into this portfolio. So we're going to jump in and see how things are going right now because as you can see over the past day, well, things are a little red and the market as a whole has been pretty red. You can see the Dow down 2.53, NASDAQ down 2.23, and S&P down 2.27%. So we are seeing red all over the market. And it's part of the reason why we have this dividend portfolio, because even if things took a turn for the worse with the market, if a new Rona happened to kick in and really impact the market for the worse, well, at least with our dividend portfolio, we should still be getting our monthly or quarterly dividends from the stocks, from the companies that we have inside this portfolio. So we're going to dive in here. As you can see, we are down over the past day, negative 1.38%. And like I just showed you, the whole market everywhere was bloody. The past week, down negative 0.97%. The past month, down negative 1.77%. And the past quarter, down 0.09%. So we are seeing a lot of red with our portfolio. But when we jump to the past year or all time, you can see we're actually still up 9.7%. And again, having a dividend portfolio is just something to consider doing for yourself because you are generally going to have companies that are more stable than other companies. You know, if you can find someone who's giving out dividends, having that dividend payout will help compensate for the stock price potentially falling if the market falls. That is part of the reason why we have this dividend portfolio, something to help with giving us more stability and more security, even if the market takes a turn for the worse. So when we look at our portfolio, though, you can see it's been a little flat, over the past month. It's not, this isn't, it's fairly flat. But you can certainly see it here, past week and the past day, definitely flat. So again, this is why we have a dividend portfolio, because the market might take a turn for the worse. You never know when it's going to come, and having companies that are giving you dividend payouts is going to help keep you afloat. So when we dive into seeing who is actually still doing well, who's not performing well, where are things at? Well, you can see Newt is at the top of our list again, as usual, in which we are up 39.70%, followed by PepsiCo, who's up 24.35%. Then we have Realty Income Corp, whom is up 17.54%. And then Procter & Gamble, up 15.65%, followed by JP Morgan & Chase, up 11.38%. And then IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties, is up 10.93%. Then we have Coca-Cola, who is up 6.53%. And then Johnson & Johnson, who's basically even at 0.07%. Then in the red, again, we have 3M, who is down negative 6.13%. And then Verizon at the bottom of our list, down 6.44%. But now, my friends, if you are new to investing, if you're new to dividends, remember, even though, for example, we can see Verizon is at the bottom of our list, when we actually look and see where our earned dividends are coming from, you can see Verizon is at the second on our, second to the top on our list. So although the stock price is still down quite a bit, they're actually paying us the most dividends, aside from Newtek, who's paid us $8.84. We did, change out IIPR with AT&T. AT&T previously was second, giving us more dividends than Verizon. But like I said, you can see Verizon is second on our list of actual dividend payouts. So the actual price point that we're down on the stock, when we look at our portfolio, I mean, Verizon has paid us $4.15, but the actual price of how much we're down with them alone is $7.52. So, I mean, it's right now you'd say that's not a good trade-off because we're down more than what they've paid us in dividends. But it's a marathon, not a sprint. And in the long haul, long term, we should be seeing much more, greater payouts in dividends than the stock potentially falling. That's the goal of dividends and just wanting the dividend price payouts to continue to accumulate and add up over time, which you then just reinvest back into the portfolio and use that money to help with getting your portfolio to grow quicker. And the more money you have to work with, the quicker it's going to grow. So, my friends, if you haven't started yet, I have a link down below where you can start to invest. You can create your own dividend portfolio with M1 Finance. And if you use my link down below, start and fund your account with at least $100. They always have some sort of nice giveaways and whatnot. I believe right now, if you start and fund your account with $100, you can get, it's either $30 or $50 for free. So to invest in yourself, invest in your future, they are actually going to give you some money to do so. Not a bad deal, my friends. Not a bad deal. Definitely click that link down below. I also have a link to Webull and Coinbase and BlockFi if you're also interested in cryptocurrency. And while you're down there, like this video, my friends. Definitely like this video and also hit that subscribe button so you guys can stay up to date on all of our latest and upcoming video content. And last but not least, got to make sure you guys know about our new growth portfolio, because hey, we have our dividend portfolio. Why not focus on the growth side of things, in which we are, similar to this portfolio, contributing $25 every week into that growth portfolio. And what is on the horizon? Well, I'm thinking potentially of starting a weekly updated video on some of my cryptocurrency trades. Now, still thinking, I'm still contemplating about it, but feel free to comment down below if you guys would be interested in diving more into cryptocurrency as well. So on that note, like I said, I got to keep it moving. Much appreciation for watching. I hope you guys found this motivational and encouraging. If you haven't started investing yet, definitely consider doing so, because having your money just sit inside of a savings account is not going to cut it with inflation. So this is why you want to get your money to start to work for you, get your money to grow. And this is how you do it. So I'm going to wrap it up there, my friends. I hope you guys found this video helpful and motivational, but you already know I got to keep it moving. But I'll see you in the next video. Peace.